Today I bring to you not one, not two, but 3 delicious and fun ways to take vanilla ice cream and turn it into the shake of your summertime dreams. We're going to start with my personal favorite, the peanut butter milkshake. But first things first, the fancy chocolate rim. You'll need about 2/3 cup of milk chocolate chips and about 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Add both ingredients to a microwave-safe bowl and microwave for about 30 to 45 seconds. Stir until the chocolate melts into the cream and it's looking nice and smooth. Dip the rim of the glass in the melted chocolate, grab some peanuts, and then sprinkle all around. Lovely. Now add 4 big scoops of vanilla ice cream to a blender, 1/3 cup of creamy peanut butter, and 1/3 cup of milk. Begin blending on low speed and gradually crank it up to high. Bring the peanut butter back, start scooping, and add big smears up the sides of the glass. This is just for looks, by the way. Pour in your milkshake and get yourself some whipped cream and swirl. Now, I like to sprinkle the top with more peanuts, add a cherry, and prepare for sipping. It is the literal best. Okay, shake number 2 is my kids' fan favorite, the cookies and cream milkshake. 4 scoops of vanilla in the blender, and of course, Oreos, 4 going in. Now for the milk, 1/3 cup, secure the lid and blend. And that's all there is to that. Pour it into the glass and let's garnish it. Whipped cream going down. Maybe a little crushed up Oreo over the top, and if you want to be really cute with it, some mini Oreos as well. Add a little cherry on top, eat the countertop scraps, slide that straw in, and enjoy. Now for the most adorable dessert ever, the strawberry milkshake. For the rim, you'll need about 1 cup of white candy melting wafers. Pop them in the microwave at 50% power for about 1 minute. Then stir them up until everything's looking nice and smooth, and take the rim of your glass for a little dip. Swirl it around, grab some Jimmy sprinkles, and go for another dip. Sprinkles make me so happy. Just look at that. Back to the shake. Add 4 scoops of vanilla ice cream to the blender and about 6 frozen strawberries. Okay, they are really frozen. 1 at a time in the blender. Pour in 1/3 cup of milk and blend. So, turns out because of those berries, we're actually going to have to add in just a little more milk. If this happens to you anytime you're making a milkshake, just add a splash more milk at a time until the blender starts moving just like you want it to. Okay, we got it. Pour your milkshake into the cutest glass ever of all time, swirl the whipped cream on top, bring back the sprinkles, and add a nice big pinch. A fresh strawberry will let everyone know exactly what's going on in there, and you're all set. If you're looking for more yummy treats to try, be sure to check out my summer desserts playlist next.